Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode manually with your JVC earbuds. So first of all, we have to take them out of the case. As you can see, they are not connected because indicators are not turned on. So we have to click and hold both buttons until one of the earbuds quickly start blinking on the red and the white. As you can see, there it is. The left one is blinking, so we have to release both buttons. Right now, when you open the Bluetooth settings on your device, they will be visible and you will be able to pair them. If there is any issue, like in my case, you can simply try to restart your Bluetooth settings. And try to pick them from the list right now. As you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video, hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.